Made some really great updates where students are actually able to see their grades. So instead of having them have to go in PowerSchool and go back and forth, they can actually just see their grades straight on Google Classroom if you are updating their grades in Google Classroom. So what you have to do first is you have to set up your grading. So go to your settings button, scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says grading, and you can actually just click weighted by category. So because that's how Center City does their grades. And then you want to make sure this toggle is on where it says show overall grade to students. So make sure that it's blue and lit up. And then you can add your own category. So at the bottom, you just click grade category and then you can add it in. We have classwork 30%, formative, and summative for 30 and 40%. Once you do that, just press save. And so now when you go to create an assignment, I'm going to go to classwork and I'm going to create an assignment. And I'm going to just title it classwork 2, and I can actually pick the grade category classwork, make it out of 100 points, make a due date, and put it under the classwork topic in Google Classroom and press assign. So now it shows up in the classwork category of Google Classroom. So you can see we have summative, formative, and classwork assessments. Now the students, when they complete the assignment, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you return the assignment to students. So as a student, I'm going to go in and I'm going to see that my teacher posted classwork 2. And I'll go to classwork. I can see classwork 2. It's due tomorrow. I'm going to view the assignment. I'm going to mark as done just for this to see. And so then what we'll be able to do is go back as the teacher and we'll be able to see that we have a student who turned it in. To make sure that they see their grades, you actually have to click this and make sure that you grade it. So I'm going to give him 100% on his classwork and then press return. So now it'll be notified and he can check the grade. So it's actually returned to the student. So let's go back to the student account and we can see where when he clicks on classwork, he's able to see all of the assignments he's turned in that have been due. But if he clicks view your work right up at the top, he can see his overall grade in the class and all of the grades for all of his assignments. So it's super easy to see now.